Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable storage sense in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click rightmost button icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Here you need to go to system settings on the left panel, and after that you need to open here storage settings. It will let you to adjust options for storage space, drivers, configuration rules. So I click on this one option. And here on storage management settings, you can find storage sense option. It will let you to automatically free up space, delete temporarily files, and manage locally available cloud content. So if you want to have it enabled, you need to click on this one black dot, and if it will be turned on, it will be automatically used. But I recommend you to adjust settings for this option, so I click on the arrow. And here I recommend you to check this option to keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. And I recommend you to set here run storage sense to during low free disk space. But of course, if you want, you can change it to another settings, for example, to every day. But I recommend you to have this one option selected. And the other option is delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 30 days. I recommend you to select here 15 days, and here the last option is delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than, and here on default is never. I recommend you to set here never because it gives you more control about your files. And if you want to run storage sense now, you need to click on this one option, and after that it should be started. And how you see process has been finished. We have here information done. We were able to free up 5 megabytes of disk space. So in this way you can use storage sense in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.